Sa mga awan dyan at kakampwet. Tingnan nyo. Panoorin nyo. Naghahanap kayo sa salin ni Sara Duterte na maliit lang, kay Digong maliit lang, tapos ang bayad daw kay Hopman malaki. Panoorin nyo. Dapat kasi magbasa-basa din. Dapat kasi manood din minsan ng mga vlog kagaya nito. Di ba? Para hindi magmukhang tingi, di ba? Mga kakampwet. Panoorin nyo yan. Panoorin para may alam. Hindi pwede ngal-ngal.
That there's also a principle in international criminal law, the principle of equivalence of arms, equality of arms. Whatever resources are given to the prosecution will also be given to the defense. In fact, the defense counsel of Mr. Duterte will be paid for by the ICC, and I think by ICC practice, up to 3 lawyers will be paid for by the ICC. Beyond that, that's already the up to the defendant himself to pay out of his pocket.
Kaigit na.